In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving sequences and series for your maths. After going through this video, you'll be able to solve basically any problem you will meet under sequences and series for your maths. So let's get started. So let's begin with this question. It says find the nth term of the sequence. So this is a sequence 2 times 3, 4 times 6, 8 times 9, 16 times 12. So guys, for the purpose of time, we are going to be solving the problems we meet here with the scientific calculator, which is allowed for your maths. So let's bring the calculator and solve this question one. So this is the scientific calculator. The first thing to do is to reset it. We say press shift button 9 for the instruction, press record and press record again. So let's solve this question. We have the sequence to be this, and these are the options. Right now we're going to be evaluating each of these options to see the one that give all these sequence respectively. So we're going to make use of the function on this calculator. Press mode. When you get here, press 7 for table. So let's define f of x to be, let's evaluate option A now to be 2. We're going to replace n with x, alpha, and this button, alright, times 3 alpha and this button. So that's it. This is our f of x. Okay, no g of, just leave g of x. Now let's start from, we basically have 4 terms here. When you break this down, 2 times 3 is 6. This is 6, 24, 72, 192. So let's start from 1 and end at 4. So we have 4 terms specified. Okay, step 1, start from step 1. Okay, so you see we have 6, 36, 216. No, it's not correct. So that function is not correct. Let's check for option B. Option B is 2 to the power n times. So let's remove this. 3 in brackets. We have alpha x plus 1. Close the brackets. Okay, so press equal to. Let's start from 1, end at 4, step 1. So we have, no, it's not this one, it's not this one. Let's go back. Let's check option C. Alright, so it has to be option C. But let's verify times 3, and that's 3x. Okay, press equal to. Yes. So we have 624, correct. So it's option C, guys. If you check, 2 times 3 is 6, correct. 4 times 6 is 24, correct. 8 times 9 is 72, correct. And 16 times 192, correct. So the right option is option C. It's as simple as this. Is how you can solve this kind of problem using this calculator. So we're making progress. Let's remove this and solve question 2. So let's go to question 2. It says the first term of a geometric progression is 3 and the fifth term is 40. Find your common ratio. So let's do the calculator again. So let's remove this. Press mode. Press 1 for it to go out. Alright. Now for this question, you're going to make use of start mode. Press mode. Start is option 3. So pay attention here. Option C is for GP, geometric progression. So let's input the value. S value will be the number of term. The Y value will be what each term is in the question. So we have first term and fifth term. So it will be 1 and 5. Okay. So the first term is 3. Alright. And the fifth term is 48. So as I'm imputing the value, they are being stored on this calculator automatically. So let's go out of here now and find the common ratio. Press shift and this and button. When you get, go for equation. Sorry guys. Let's do it again. Shift option 1. Regression. Go for this same button, option 5. Okay. Now there are 2 ways you can do this. We have first term and fifth term here. Now you know ratio this with division. So after 1, let's number is what 2. We 2 divide the value of the first time here, which is 3, press equal to. We have 2. Okay, 2 is a common ratio. Either I do this way or after 5, the next value is 1, 6. So let's put back that regression sign, shift this start button, regression 5. Yeah, that's 6 divide the value of the fifth term, which is 148. We still get 2. Still 2. So the right option is question option D, which is 2. Let's do the next question, which is this one. It says find the system of the sequence. So guys, did not tell us whether this is AP or GP. So let's begin with presuming that this is AP and solve this question. Let's go to the calculator. So guys, this is a calculator. The question says once more, find the system of the sequence. Now, they did not specify whether this is AP or GP. So let's experiment with AP. First, let's visit the calculator because we're going to start with values. Press shift button 9, follow instructions, press 3, press equal to, and press equal to again. So go back to mode, start. When you get here, pay attention, option 2 is for AP. Press 2. So let's impute the values. The S value will be the number of times. We have up to 3 times here. So let's work with 1 and 2 only. 1 and 2. Okay. So the first time is 2 divide 3. And the second time is 7 divide 15. So that's it. Let's remove this. The values are stored. To get the system, press shift this option 1, regression. So option 5 again. So you're going to get a press 6 and see if you're going to see the answer in the options. So we have minus 0.33. So this is definitely AP sequence. So the right option is option B. Minus 0.33 is the same thing as minus 1/3. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's solve the next question, which is this one. So it says find the 17th term of the AP. Okay, so let's bring the calculator again. So we need to restate to remove the previous value we stored. Press shift button 9, full instruction, press 3, press equal to, and press equal to again. Go back to start mode. So when you get here, this is still AP. So go for option 2. So we have up to 3 terms. Let's make it of only 2, 1 and 2. Alright, so the first term is minus 6 and the second term is minus 1. So the values are stored. Okay, let's press this. We have to find a 17th term. So press shift this option 1, regression option 5. So come here and put 17. That's the press equal to. So we have it was 74. Option D, the right answer. Making progress. Let's solve question. So it says find the 9th term of the arithmetic progression. Let's bring the calculator again. So this is the calculator. Let's clear to store fresh numbers. So we have the press shift button 9, put instruction, press 3, press equal and press equal again. So go back to start. Okay, press 2 for AP. We have up to 5 terms here. Let's work with only 2, 1 and 2. So come to this place and put the values. We have 18 for first term and 12 for second term. Alright, values are stored. Let's get the 9th term. Press shift this button, regression, press 5 again. So come here and put 9. All the output, press equal to. We'll have it to minus 30, which is option C. That's it for this question. Let's solve the next question, which is this one. So it says if 16/9 x1 y are in geometric progression, you find the product of x and y. So let's bring a calculator and solve this. So for this question, let's reset to remove the previous values. Shift button and put instruction, press 3. Okay, we are good to go. So let's impute. We have up to 4 terms here. Okay, well, let's work with this. First of all, go to start. This is GP. Press 6 for GP. So we have, let's work with the terms that their values are defined, which are 1 and 3 for this question. Okay, so the first time here is 16 divide 9. 16 over 9 basically. This third term is 1. Okay, so we're good to do the stored. Press AC button. Now, to get the second term, press shift this option 1, regression. So the second term will be what? Press 2. We have it to be 1.33. So what of the fourth term? The fourth term will be 0.75. So the product of x and y will be 0.75 times 1.33, which is equal to 0.9975. So when you check 3 divided by 4, 0.75, no. Okay, 0.9975. Let's take 9 divided by 16. No. So basically, guys, the answer will be 1, option B, because 0.9975 is approximately 1 if you are leaving it in whole number. So the right option in this question is option B, which is 1. Okay, so 0.9975 is approximately 1. So that's it for this question. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel once, make sure that you subscribe to this channel for more of this video. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to please the comment section below, and I'm sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be receiving premium information that help you to excel in your external exam by writing. Don't forget to receive this calculator once you're done. Just press shift button now. When you search and press 3, press the again. So that's it. Now click on the screen below, and I see you in the next video.